Hi guys, I just woke up and thought maybe I would vlog a little bit as I took my dog out to go to the bathroom. I'm sitting and smoking my cigarette. It's raining outside. Feels great though. I would like to say thank you for all my views on my first video. Yeah, it was good, but I know it was my first video. I'll get better once I upload more. But yeah, it's raining and I just wanted to show you what it looks like in Oklahoma when it rains. I mean, it's nothing really different than anywhere else. But the sky. There's my puppy. Tiny. You say hi to the people? I gotta come up with some video ideas. I'm really excited about my new adventure. At first I was a little nervous because I didn't know how to record. It's not so bad. I mean, yeah, I was a little nervous yesterday when I first recorded. I'll get the hang of it. Everyone always does. Yeah, no. Still not good at this. But I am attempting. Good looking at me. I am attempting to build. I'm so nervous I got the candles. I am attempting to build this.
You're bend the motherfucker before you put it together.
I feel like there's 50 million eyeballs on me, bro. Sheen. I am attempting to build this wardrobe to put your clothes in for my mama. Let's just say, read these instructions, I feel pretty dumb.